Jeff is the receiving supervisor at JJ Traders. When it comes to receiving, he takes his job very seriously and he works closely with all the role players involved with the receiving, namely the rest of the receiving department, the transport companies delivering the goods, suppliers, procurement departments, as well as the quality department. One of his main focuses is that of safe offloading. 2 years ago, the receiving department did not understand the importance of safe offloading, and one of the clerks broke their ankle while offloading a vehicle. He wasn't wearing the correct PPE, the supplier hadn't secured the load correctly, the receiving bay was full of empty boxes. It was a disaster waiting to happen. Jeff was relieved that nothing worse happened, and he wrote up strict rules and guidelines for safe offloading of vehicles, which everyone now adheres to. Another area of concern for Jeff is the fact that they only have 2 receiving bays, and their yard can only accept 8-ton vehicles. He has had to arrange with suppliers to book time slots and adhere to their vehicle restrictions, otherwise they have to turn those vehicles away. All in all though, their receiving area is free from clutter as the warehouse has great visibility and strict inventory controls in place that guide the receivers as to where to put the material. They have demarcated staging areas as well as cross-stock options for certain products. They have policies in place with some suppliers for certain customers. For example, their supplier Multibake know to always package stock for Save Right Home depots in pre-packed boxes without mixing it with other stock. The reason for that is that his company cross-stock all of Save Right Home depot's orders. This means that they receive stock from the suppliers, relabel it there and then send it to dispatch for it to be loaded into a vehicle, thus saving time and money on extra handling by putting the stock into the warehouse for picking later. Their cross-stock operation has very strict procedures and all of the staff are well trained in this area. Jeff is happy with how his receiving operations treats their offloading and staging procedures, but he still always makes sure that at the end of the day, any movement from receiving is captured on the system.